Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Karina, and in today's video, we are finally going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Vol.2 palette. So since I posted the palette on my stories a while back, lots of people have been asking me to use it and do a tutorial with it. That being said, obviously this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please share my video, you guys. And that's about it. So for some reason, I wasn't recording when I added the yellow shadow. But you guys will see it right now. I think in the next clip. It's like the only bright yellow in that palette. Okay, now I'm gonna take this orange right here. So I just figured out, thanks to my hubby, that I can watch myself on my Apple Watch, like while I'm recording. I didn't know that. Look, did you guys know that you can like press start and stop and all that? I did not. So I added a little bit more yellow, the one that we had applied up here, and now I'm just going back in with the orange and kind of blending both those colors together. Now I'm gonna go in with this one right here. And by the way, you guys, I am using just a bunch of fluffy brushes. These are the ones I've used so far. And I'm gonna go right in my crease, so like right underneath that orange that we put. Go in with this pink right here. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and we're gonna use that on the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take this gold right here for the inner corner. I just applied this as a brow highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and do liner now. Today I'm gonna use the Kat Von D. Oh my god, it's not Kat Von D. The KVD Dagger Tattoo Liner, which is this one. It's like I already put my lashes and my foundation on. Just again, the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation Tinted Moisturizer. And then I set it with Studio Fix. Now I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer. Same one, Anastasia. I've been using this one since I got it. Okay, now I'm gonna add blush, and I'm using the, you guys, this is my go-to. It's the Milani Big Blush in Berry Amore. So I don't have a lot of like variety in blushes. For some reason, it's just like something I don't like ever buy. So if y'all could recommend some nice blushes, that'd be bomb. Alexa, skip. We don't do Mariah Carey here. Now for highlight, I'm gonna use Artist Couture Conceited. You guys, I think, have seen this in some other videos of mine. I'm using Strip Down Lip Liner.
Look, just look. I had the a bunch of notifications, and I opened it. Guess what? Look how many views I got. Just because on this, look.
What the?
If you like Roblox. If you follow, you have Fortnite.
How many views? How many views? 2,000?
Look how many follow me.
Wow, how'd you do that?
I just made this one video.
Wow, that's awesome. Who else's kids are obsessed with TikTok? With Chloe Money. It's the Cocoa by Kylie collection. It's a liquid lip. Since this is a little too, like, not nude enough, I'm gonna go in with the NYX lingerie. It just says NYX lingerie lip. Anyways, it's a liquid lip and it is in the shade Silk Indulgent. Well, that's about it, you guys. This is the final look. I will be inserting some pictures right after this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And again, thank you so much for your support. I will see you guys in the next one. How are we feeling the curls down? Love it. Love, love, love. Frozen? Sounds like Frozen.
I ain't never been a half-ass lover. Rather lay out on the train tracks for days. Ya no tengo todo, pero ¿y el anillo pa' cuándo?